I'm Christa Clark with artisticvegan.com, and today we're exploring 3 high-protein vegan meals and a quick snack. Let's get into it. We started with baked quinoa. You want to take 1 cup of quinoa soaked overnight and rinse it, and then you want to combine a couple tablespoons of flax meal with about 6 tablespoons of water. Give that a mix and set it aside. Then slice a couple of bananas and take one of the bananas, put it on the bottom of a lightly greased pan, about 8 by 8, and then about a cup of your fruit of choice. I use blackberries, then top with the quinoa, and then top with the other banana and the rest of the berries, another cup of those. And then you'll want to mix in any boosters into your flax meal. So I added some almond meal, chia seeds, and maca powder. You can use whatever you'd like. And then add some plant-based milk of choice. I used cashew milk today. You'll also want to add a little bit of sweetener to taste and some peanut butter for extra protein. Give that a mix and then pour it into the side of the pan, give it a swirl and tilt it so it covers all of the fruit. Top with a little bit extra coconut sugar if desired, and then you'll want to bake that for about 1 hour uncovered. Then if you want to make some chia jam, you can take some frozen berries of choice, put some chia seeds on it, set it aside while it's baking, and then while it's cooling, then you can heat it up real quick with a little bit of sweetener and serve it on top of your delicious quinoa, and have it with a little bit of plant-based milk and maybe a little sweetener if you want, but we didn't, and it was just fantastic, really hearty and filling, and it makes about 8 to 10 servings. For lunch, we had spicy peanut soba noodle bowls with tofu. You want to start by making your marinade by mixing tahini, soy sauce, agave, hot sauce, and mix it all together, and then pour it over the tofu slices to marinate while the oven heats to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then add sliced bell pepper and put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Flip and take it for about 15 to 20 minutes further until it's your desired consistency. While it's baking, you want to make your sauce for the noodles by blending together peanut butter, tahini, soy sauce, water, agave, the juice of a lime, some garlic, ginger, hot sauce, and peanuts. Blend until smooth, or you can have it chunky, however you like it. Prepare the soba noodles once your tofu is almost done. Toss the soba noodles in the sauce with a bunch of spinach. Place the noodles in the bowl, adorn with tofu and bell pepper, opt to add sauerkraut or probiotic of choice, and some cilantro, and dig in. This is absolutely fantastic. One high protein thing that I love to do is to make peanut butter. So you just want to take some roasted peanuts and then add a little tiny bit of a neutral oil. I'm using olive oil. Avocado is also really great. A little sprinkle of salt, and then blend that together until you get it nice and smooth. You can also do this in a food processor, and then you have fresh, homemade, natural peanut butter, and it's absolutely delicious. I think it's way better than the stuff you can buy in the store. We love this on top of our banana, or with dates, or in all these other recipes. For dinner, we had the most amazing soup. Here's all the vegetables that are featured in it. You want to start by preparing them and then go over to the stove. You can use olive oil or vegetable broth for oil-free. Add that to the pan along with your carrots, onion, and celery with a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and saute for 8 minutes until nice and fragrant. Add the garlic and cook for about 60 seconds, then crumble the oat balls and saute. And if you don't want to use the oat balls, you could also use a meatless item such as meatless crumbles of choice. Add the paprika, parsley, basil, and turmeric and cook for 30 seconds. Add the balance of the ingredients: tomatoes, corn on the cob for more flavor, potatoes, green beans, broccoli, kidney beans, and TVP. Bring to a simmer and cook that for 30 minutes. Serve hot as is, or blend and serve smooth.